Cancer. Welcome to your horoscope for May 1st to 15th, 2025. If you're seeking guidance on making wise decisions and cultivating peace in your life, this is your cosmic roadmap. Let's explore how the stars are aligning to support your journey toward balance, emotional fulfillment, and lasting harmony. This period brings a beautiful blend of introspection and growth for you, dear Cancer. With the moon, your ruling celestial body, shining brightly in early May, your emotions and intuition will be heightened. This is a powerful time to trust yourself, reflect deeply, and make choices that align with your heart and soul. Career and finances. In your career, expect opportunities around May 3rd when Jupiter harmonizes with your ambitious side. You'll feel inspired to take bold steps toward long-term goals or creative projects. However, Mercury retrograde reminds you to review details carefully before finalizing plans. Financially, focus on creating stability. Revisit budgets, pay off debts, or invest in practical ventures. By staying grounded, you pave the way for lasting prosperity and peace of mind. Relationships and social life. Your relationships shine during this time, especially around May 7th, when Venus amplifies love and connection. Single Cancers may meet someone who feels like home, someone who truly understands their depth and sensitivity. For those in partnerships, prioritize quality time and heartfelt conversations. Strengthening bonds through shared experiences fosters deeper intimacy. Surround yourself with people who nurture your spirit. They're essential for maintaining inner peace, health, and well-being. May invites you to slow down and care for yourself holistically. Around May 9th, the moon highlights the importance of rest and self-compassion. Listen to your body. If you need downtime, take it without guilt. Incorporate calming rituals like journaling, meditation, or spending time in nature. Nurturing your well-being creates space for clarity and resilience. Remember, peace begins within. Personal growth and spirituality. The second week of May encourages deep reflection and spiritual growth. Around May 12th, Mercury retrograde prompts you to revisit past lessons or unresolved feelings. Instead of resisting, embrace this energy to heal and release what no longer serves you. Trust your intuition. It's guiding you toward choices that align with your highest good. Each step forward brings you closer to living authentically and peacefully. Trust your inner light. Cancer, these 2 weeks are all about honoring your emotions, trusting your instincts, and making decisions that bring true fulfillment. Stay patient, stay compassionate with yourself and others, and trust the process. You're building a foundation for lasting peace and joy. The universe is cheering you on every step of the way.